Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 3, and that is integer part 2. So, student, in previous video, we discussed some important facts of this, some important concepts like what is natural number, okay, what is whole number, what is integer, what is mod always is positive value. Everything I explained, student. Clear? And how to represent the integer on the number line. Everything I explained. So student, in this video we will discuss some questions of your book NCERT. Okay everyone, so this is NCERT exercise 6.1. okay everyone. Or see student, in ML Agarwal this chapter, I think this is chapter 4, so don't be confused, you have to do both chapter. Okay everyone, because concept is same. So first question is given, write opposite. First question is given, write opposite. Opposite means you know that if I am writing up, so what is the opposite of up, student? Down. Okay everyone. If I am writing plus 300, so what is the opposite of this, student? Minus 300. Simple thing. So only you have to write down in the form of a statement which is given. Increase in weight. First is given, student, increase in weight. So this is quite simple, student. Increase means enhancement. Okay everyone. So what you will write? You will write on what? The answer of this is decrease in weight. Decrease in weight. This is the very common term, student. Second is given 30 km north. Now you will find out what is the opposite of north. Direction you know everyone. Very well, direction you know. Okay everyone. Okay. Now move to the next question. Next question, represent the following number as integer with appropriate sign. You have to use appropriate sign, means you have to use either plus or minus. See, an aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meters above the ground. Let us assume, student, this is ground. Let us assume this is ground. Okay? Or this is your aeroplane X. Okay everyone. Now see, student, aeroplane is moving upward direction, or what is given, what is the height? Height 2000 meter, and this height is 2000 meter. Okay everyone. Now tell me, aeroplane is 2000 above to the ground, so this indicate plus or minus. See, this is enhancement. Okay, this is the positive thing, yani you will write down plus 2000. okay everyone. Next is given, a submarine is moving at a depth. Submarine, you know that na, which moving inside of the oceans. Okay, submarine like that. So submarine means if this is your ground, so submarine is moving inside. Inside means downside. Okay. So downside where, if you will go downside, it will represent what? It will represent negative sign. This is very simple based on your understanding. Clear everyone? Next is given a deposit of rupees 200. One term, student, you know deposit. Deposit means what? Deposit means when you go to the bank or anything, maybe you listen any day, your father is saying I am going to submit 500 rupees in the bank or deposit. So deposit means, student, you have to go to the submit. Okay, so deposit means you have to use plus sign. Another thing is that withdrawal. What is the meaning of withdrawal? Withdrawal means something which you are not going to submit, okay, which you are going to pick up. Yani it means this is withdrawal means negative sign. Okay, this represents some submission. Okay, or this withdrawal. Withdrawal means the opposite of the deposit. Clear everyone? So this is your question number second. Question number third is given, student. Okay, I am giving the giving explanation according to the concept. Okay, student, please focus on the concept. You will do all the question. Third question, represent on number line. It is given represent on number line. The first is given my plus 5. See, plus 5. How to represent? See, this is 0, you know that. Right hand side of the 0, student, all are positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And distance is same. Everywhere distance is same. Left hand side, student, negative sign. Minus 1, minus 2, minus. Up, see student, this is plus 5 na? So 1 you will write down here. Plus 5, yani you will circle here. You will represent like that. Okay everyone? If you have to represent, let us assume minus 2. So you will represent here. So according to your requirement of the question, you will mark. One very simple this is. One, you know that in right hand side of the 0, all positive integer are lies, and left hand side of the number line, all negative integers live. Okay everyone? Okay, now next question. Fourth question, exert figure vertical. अब see fourth question you will do yourself. Okay everyone? Fourth question you will do yourself based on this number line. You will try. Fifth, Siachen. Following in the list of the temperature of 5 places in India of a particular day. See student, it is given. Here I am going to write down question number 5. Question number 5 is given. It is given. Temperature is given. Siachen, you know that Siachen is the very coldest place. Siachen. Okay. Siachen, it is given, and temperature it is given. Temperature, what is given? 10 degrees Celsius. 10 degree Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. It means what, student? Try to understand the language of the question. It is given Siachen. Siachen is the place where temperature is 10 degree below 0 degrees Celsius. It means temperature is less than 10 degree less than 0 degrees Celsius. So what is the meaning of this? 0 degrees Celsius minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay everyone? You know that plus minus minus. So you will minus. So 0 minus 10 will come what? 10 degrees Celsius. And the sign, student, sign of greater integer, which greater number, which one is number greater? 10. So you will write down negative sign. So this is your correct answer. Okay everyone? So create understanding, student. Okay? Math is a based on understanding. Next is Shimla, also same. Below means you have to do subtraction. Below means downside. Downside means minus. Simply I explain. Delhi. See, next example, student. Delhi it is given. Delhi it is given 20 degrees Celsius above 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Ab you know na in summers the weather of the Delhi is too hot. So what you are 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. Above means student what? Plus sign. It means 0 degrees Celsius plus 20 degrees Celsius. Ab you know that plus plus plus, yani the answer is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay everyone? I think this is very clear everyone how to find out. Okay? Now move to the next question. Ab in this question you will find out which is the coolest place. Which one is what? Okay, which one is coolest place you will find out. See, I think Siachen is the coolest place. Siachen, okay? Because its temperature is minus 10. Okay everyone? अब the one important thing some students confused कि -3 is greater than -4, -5. Okay everyone? Here I am going to explain. If I write down, see, if I am writing +5, -5 and -6. If I want to know which one is greater, so some students always confuse and they mark this one. -5, -6 is greater. But this is incorrect, student. Why? See, I will explain with the help of number line which one is greater. Okay everyone? See everyone. This is 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4. Let us assume this is. Now if I want to know कि -3 is greater or -4, student. Okay everyone? So which one is greater? Which is coming first? Which is coming first? In negative, which one is greater? Which is coming first? To see which one is coming first? -3. It means this will be greater. Why? What is the concept behind it? To see, student. If this is a rod, so if you will break this rod into 3 parts. 1, 2. So this 1, 2, 3 part. This is first condition. Second condition, same rod you have to convert in 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3. देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4. So from which rod you will get the small pieces? From which rod you will get the small pieces? So you will say, sir, this rod I will get small pieces because this is 4 part and this is 3 part. Okay everyone? So 3 part you will get what? Longer rod. Due to this, simply I am giving the basic example, -3 is greater. But if 4 greater or 5 greater, so you simply know that both are positive, it means +5 greater. It means in negative, the what? Smaller number is greater and greater number is smaller. This is opposite. Clear everyone? And I explain also why it happened. Okay everyone? Now next question based on same pattern. Question number 6, everyone see carefully. What is given in the question number 6? You have to do all the questions, student. Okay? 6 it is given in which of the following pair which number lie right to the other number. If I want to know, 5 is given, 6 is given. So tell me which number is right to other. So you know that if 5 come first and 6 come after 5. Okay? It means 6 is right to the 5. Next, if I am writing -2 and -4. if I want to know which one is right to the other, so you will say minus 2 is the right of other. Minus 2 is the right of other, na? Why? Because you know that 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, everyone? If I want to know which one is the right side, to minus 2 is the right side of minus 4. Okay, everyone? So this is the basic concept of this question. Next, write all the integer between. See how to write down integer between the numbers. See how to write down. Question number 7. Write all integers between. Integers. This is between. Okay. Integers between. I am going to do question number minus 4 to 4. See student, minus 4 to 4. Some students write on minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, that's it. But this is not the proper answer. See, you will draw the number line simply 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. See, everyone, this is clear. Now minus 4 to 4, it means from minus 4 to 4 you have to pick up. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is your correct answer, everyone. I think this is clear, everyone. So you have to see the question very carefully, student, and you have to solve the question very carefully. Okay, everyone? Okay. Question number 8. If I want to know, see, if I want to know write the 5 numbers which is greater than 6. If I want to know 5 number which is greater than 6, so you can write down 6 is greater than 7, 8, 9, 10. But if I want to know write down the 5 digit which is greater than minus 6, so what you will write down? You will write down minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Because I explained the negative, in negative the smaller is greater. Okay, so this is your answer. On the basis of this question is given, write 4 negative integer greater than minus 20. So greater than minus 20, minus 19, minus 18, like that. Fifth, write 4 negative integer less than minus 10. If I want to know less than minus 10, so less than minus 10 student, minus 11, minus 12, minus 30. Okay, this is the concept of this student. True false you will do yourself. Come on, question number 10. Question number 10, one question I will explain and next you will do yourself. Or see student, all question you have to do practice. Some students are coming online, they are giving very good response. But some students are only, they are coming in the class but they are not giving the response. 10th question student. Draw number will we reach, which number will we reach if we move 4 number to the right of minus 2? 4 number to the right of minus 2. So see very carefully student, 4 number to the 4 number to the right of minus 2. So let us assume this is our number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus minus, this is minus 5, minus 5, minus 6. Why I am writing all number in minus? Because I know I have to go 4 number to the right of minus 2. Achha, 4 number to the right of minus 2. There I can also write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, everyone? See, 4 number to the right of minus 2. What is the meaning of this? Minus 2 is given here. Right means right hand side, this side. Yani first step. See, 4 number to the right. It means you will count 1, 2, 3, 4. Yani your correct answer is 2. Why? Because 4 number to the right of minus 2. It means minus 2 say right side 4 number. So what it will come, student? It will come 2. On the basis of student this one, so many question is given. Okay? So you will solve all the question for better understanding. Clear everyone? Okay. So now I am going to move exercise 6.2. What is given in 6.2? 6.2, everyone, come. 6.2 is also very easy. You have to do with the help of number line. Now I explain this one now. So if it is in this question it is given 4 number to the left of minus 2. If in this question it was given 4 number to the left of minus 2, so minus 2 say 4 left. Yani you will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in this case our answer is minus 6. So I explain both things. Okay, you will apply in the question. I am not explaining all the questions, because if I will explain you will not do anything. I know this very well. Okay, everyone. So this is exercise 6.1. I explained all the concept related to this. Now come to the exercise 6.2. 6.2 student. What is given? First, 3 more than 5. See student, you have to use number line and it is given 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. Okay, everything is given in the question. So 3 more than 5, student, what is the meaning of this? 3 more than 5. Okay, so we will make number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay everyone, now you have to represent 3 more than 5. What is the meaning of this student? 3 more. More means what? Enhance. More means enhance. And 3 more than 5, it means from 5 you will go 3 more. So first we will go 0 to 5. Okay. So 3 more, it means 3 more step. This is 1 step, this is 2 step, this is 3 step. So what is our answer? Our answer is 8. This is very simple. Okay everyone. Okay, another question I am going to take. 3 less than minus 2. Okay, another question I am going to take. If it is given 3 less than minus 2. 3 less than minus 2. In this case, what we will do, student? See, this is a number line. 3 less than minus 2. It means 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 3 less than minus 2, student. So what is the meaning of this? You have to start from minus 2. So first go 0 to minus 2. Okay, 3 less than, it means left hand side 3. Less means what? You have to decrease. Yani minus 2, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. Yani the answer is minus 5. In your copy, you will draw very neat and clean, and each every just 0 to 1 to same distance, because in ruler it is given same distance. You will draw very properly with the help of pencil. Okay everyone? So this I explained. Okay, now use number line add. Now second is given, use number line you have to add. This is very interesting chapter, student, if you will focus. Okay, everything is interesting in maths. Okay, second, use number line add. देखिए what is given? 9 plus minus 6. अब you have to use number line and you have to add. तो how you will add? See, देखते हैं. You will check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay everyone? So first it is given 9 plus minus 6. So what you can write down? You can write down 9. Okay? Or what you can write down? Plus minus minus 6. You can also here like that. Okay? You know that because plus minus minus. So what is the simple mean? First you will go 0 to 9. So first we will go 0 to 9. Okay? Now minus 6 is given. What is the mean of this? What is the mean of this? It means 6 step back. If plus is given 6 step more, minus is given 6 step back. So 6 step back, student. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step. So yani answer is 3. Okay? Conclusion is first we will go 9 because no sign is given means plus. And we know that plus 9 is minus, student. So it means first we will go 9, then minus 6. It means 6 step back. Left hand side. So this will come 9 6 step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will come 3. Okay everyone? So this I explained. Or same question based on this it is given. Now third question I am going to explain. What is given is the third question. Third question. All question you will do yourself. This is very easy and see in every competition maths play very important role. So be careful. If you will understand all the thing now you will face not any problem. Now next question. Question number third it is given add. You have to simply add, student. So one question I am going to take. Like it is given. I am taking example myself. Minus 15 plus minus 12. You have to add. Simply you have to add. So you know that, student. Minus, you will write down minus 15. Plus minus, minus, it will come 12. Minus minus, student. Plus, so first you will write down 27. This I explained too many times. Okay. Which one is greater, student? 15 is greater. 15 having which sign? Minus sign. So we will write down minus. This is our correct answer. Another example, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1. Let us check. You know that minus minus plus, again minus minus plus it means minus 5. 2 and 3, 5, sign of greater and greater. Which one is greater? 3. Again minus 1, again minus minus plus. So plus you will do 6, sign of greater. Which one is greater, student? 5. So you will write down minus. So student, I think your concept is clear how to add. Okay everyone, so I think this is clear everyone. Okay, so now move to the next question. What is given in the next question, student? Next question also find the sum is given, and student, if I am writing question number 4 I am going to solve. See, every question based on same pattern, only you have to do the question very carefully. Okay everyone, every question based on same pattern. Fourth question, it is given find the sum. Find sum, simply it is given. One question I am going to take like minus 50, minus 200 and 300. Now we have to simply, one thing is given, find sum. Sum means student you have to add. It means minus 15 plus minus 200, because this is minus 200, plus 300 because we have to add. Okay everyone, so it will come what, minus 15 plus minus 200 plus 300. Okay everyone, now you know that minus plus, yani you will add first, it will come 250. Sign of greater, which one is greater student? 200 greater, to minus, plus 300. Okay everyone, now 250 minus plus student minus, so you will do what? Minus 350 minus 250, 50. And the sign of greater it is, which one is greater? Greater number, which one is greater? 300. So plus sign, if you write down it is okay, if you are not writing, it is also okay, there is no problem. Okay everyone, so this is based on sum. So all the question you will do like that. Also find the sum is given, question of 5 you will do yourself. Now question number 6, exercise 6.3 I am going to do. Exercise 6.3, all questions are same, based on same pattern. So how to solve? Exercise 6.3 student. See, first question, find, simple, it is given. So one question I am going to do, minus 15 minus 18. This is bracket. Okay everyone, so you know that minus 15 to write down same, minus become plus 18. You know that minus plus minus, sign of greater number. So 18 minus 15, 3. Which one is greater? 18. So this is plus. Only simple question I give. Okay everyone, so I think now you are able to solve. Now move to the next question. Next question student, based on fill the blanks you will do yourself. Achha, one question I want to ask, if it is written minus 7 plus fill in the blanks 0, so what you will write down, then it will become 0. Tell me, minus 7 is given, what you will write down, what you will add in minus 7, so you will get 0. Simply you will add 7, only 7. If 7 is given, plus sign is given, here it is given 0, then student what you will do, you will write down minus 7, because you know that plus minus 7 minus 7 0. So this is based on very basic concept. Okay everyone, so this you will do yourself. Next is also given is find out. Okay everyone, so your NCERT done. Now I am going to move ML Agarwal and I will solve only that question which is different from NCERT. Okay everyone, which is different from NCERT. Okay everyone. Achha, arranging and descending question is given, so you know that how to do. I think you know that, so do yourself. This is ML Agarwal, your only some question I explain, because all questions are about to same. Exercise, this is 4th chapter. Okay everyone, this is 4th chapter in ML Agarwal. So see, all questions are same. Only I am going to explain. Yes, question number 10 is given. See, evaluate mod 13 minus 5. I explained lots of things about mod, कि always mod gives positive value, and first you have to solve which is given inside of the mod. Okay everyone, so you know that this is what 13 minus 5 student, you know that this will come 8, and outside of mod it will also give the positive value, yani correct answer this one. Only this I am going to explain. Next question is given, like one question I am going to take, like minus 19 is given, mod mod minus 30. See, only I am going to explain this question for your better understanding, because I explained in previous video everything. So you know that this will come outside of the mod, so this will come plus 90. This minus to become, you will keep same. This minus 13 come outside of the mod, give positive value, yani plus 30. This minus 30 you will keep same, and 19 minus 13 student, this will come 6. Plus 6 na, because 19 is greater and the sign of plus. So plus you will not write down. Clear everyone? So I explain all the thing in this student. Arranging descending is given and nothing. Nothing different is given in this book. Okay, everyone. Acha, one thing is get additive inverse. Additive inverse, so I also explain what is additive inverse. Okay, only you have to change the sign. Only you have to change the sign. Exercise 4.2 is given. Same question is given. Evaluate. Evaluate means -2 plus -3 is given. Let us assume. So you have to evaluate. How do you will do, student? Same. -2 you will write down first. Plus minus. You know that minus sign you will write down. Minus plus, you know that. Plus you will do plus, and which sign you will use? The number which one is greater. Which one is greater? 3. So minus sign. Only this type of question is given. Next is given one question. Write down the additive inverse. Question of 5. Additive inverse. Additive inverse. You know that I explained additive inverse very clearly. You have to change the sign. Like -3 is given, you will write down 3. 4 is given, it means you will write down -2. Okay, like that. So only this type of question is given. I explain all the things, student. Subtraction I explained. Achha, one question is given, exercise 4.3. First I will explain something. What is given? 4.3. So see very carefully. This is little bit different question, but based on integer. If it is given, student, like it is given, Ramesh having 20 rupees. Okay, he purchased a dairy milk worth rupees 10. Then how much amount left? So see, student, this question is looking only statement. Ramesh having rupees 20, he purchased a dairy milk worth rupees 10. Then how much amount left? So you know that what you will do, student, simply you know that total 20 rupees was there and 10 dairy milk. What left, student? Only 10 rupees left. Only this I am going to explain, student. So this type of question, it is given in the form of integer. This is given in the simple manner. But if in this given in the form of integer, if the sum of two number is given, find out the second number. For example, it is given fourth question. C. Fourth question, the sum of two integer is 17. Sum of two integer is equal to 70. Okay, everyone. One of them is -35. One of them equal to -35. Find other number you have to find out. So see, simple example I given na. Ramesh has 20 rupees. Okay, so same thing. Sum of two integer, yani any two integer, sum of two integer is 70. Yani the sum of two integer is 70. One of them is -35. One of them is -35. So other number what you will do? Only simple 17 minus -35. Okay, everyone. Simply because this is given the sum of two integer. One you know, second how you will find out? By subtracting. So 17 minus plus 35. Now 17 and 35, students. 7 plus 5 12. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. It means second number is 52. Now you can check also, but you don't have to check. I am showing you. See, sum of two integer is 17. So first integer is our -35. Second integer it comes 52. Now find out minus plus minus. So minus you will do, and you will come 12 minus 5 7. 4 minus 3 1. And which sign you will use, student? Which sign you will use? You know that 52 is greater, so you will use what? Plus sign. To plus you will not write down. So simply you will do like that. So everything I explained in this book, student, what is given, nothing is left. Only what you have to do, you have to practice all the question. Clear, everyone? So this is clear, everyone, with NCERT with ML Agarwal. In ML Agarwal, this is given in chapter number 4, or everyone have to complete all the chapter. Clear, everyone? So from my side, everything is done. It's your turn. You have to do all the question. Okay, everyone? So next video we will discuss the next chapter till computer work. Thank you, students.